Which city is called City of Palaces? A. Paris, B. Bombay, C. Mexico City, D. Washington. And the right answer is Mexico City. Question number 2 is Myth of Independence was written by A. General Ayub Khan, B. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, C. Asghar Khan, D. Pervez Musharraf. And the right answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question number 3 is Dampier is the seaport of A. France, B. Australia, C. Malaysia, D. Switzerland. The right answer is Australia. Question number 4 is Who invented aspirin in 1897? A. Hoffman, B. Charles Drew, C. Benting, D. Fleming. And the right answer is Hoffman. Number 5 is Which country has no river? A. Qatar, B. UAE, C. Saudi Arabia, D. All of these. And the right answer is all of these. And the question number 6 is Zoroastrian is the worship of A. Water, B. Sun, C. Fire, D. Moon. And the right answer is fire. Question number 7 is World's highest waterfall is in A. Venezuela, B. Canada, C. France, D. Malaysia. And the right answer is A. Venezuela. Question number 8 is Who gave the title Qaid-e-Azam to Muhammad Ali Jinnah? A. Maulana Johar, B. Maulana Zafar, C. Mazharuddin, D. Lama Iqbal. And the right answer is Mazharuddin. Question number 9 is Hawker Glacier is situated in A. Australia, B. Canada, C. New Zealand, D. France. The right answer is option C, New Zealand. Question number 10 is Which US president said I am not a crook? A. Nixon, B. Clinton, C. Kennedy, D. Bush. Right answer is option A, Nixon. Question number 11 is Fidel Castro was the president of option A. Cuba, B. Spain, C. France, D. Canada. Right answer is Cuba. Question number 12 is Which is smallest state in Asia? A. Maldives, B. Malta, C. Bahrain, D. Brunei. Right answer is A. Maldives. Question number 13 is Where is famous natural bridge located? A. Kabul, B. Ankara, C. Madrid, D. Virginia. And the right answer is Virginia. Question number 14 is Khat and Rama secret agencies of A. Tajikistan, B. Afghanistan, C. Russia, D. Uzbekistan. And the right answer is Afghanistan. Question number 15 is Latakia and Tartus are seaport of A. Syria, B. Egypt, C. Iran, D. Turkey. And the right answer is Syria. Question number 16 is For water purification we use silicone, kaolin, fluorine, oxygen. And the right answer is kaolin. Question number 17 is The hottest planet of the universe is A. Neptune, B. Venus, C. Uranus, D. Saturn. The right answer is Venus. Question number 18 Yeast is A. Fungus, B. Virus, C. Bacteria, D. Seed. The right answer is fungus. Question number 19 is Mesopotamia is the old name of A. Turkey, B. Azerbaijan, C. Iraq, D. Afghanistan. And the right answer is Iraq. Question number 20 is Peso is the currency of A. Philippines, B. New Zealand, C. Finland. The right answer is Philippines. Question number 21 is Santiago is the capital of A. Brazil, B. Nigeria, C. Chile, D. Bolivia. And the right answer is Chile. Question number 22 is French Sudan is the old name of A. Burkina Faso, B. Indonesia, C. Mali, D. None of these. The right answer is Mali. Question number 23 is after Christianity and Islam, the third biggest religion is A. Judaism, B. Shintoism, C. Buddhism, D. Hinduism. The right answer is Hinduism. Question number 24 is which city is also known as Emerald Iceland? A. Ireland, B. Scotland, C. Finland, D. Greenland. The right answer is Ireland. Question number 25 is Empire City is the nickname of option A. Rome, B. London, C. Madrid, D. New York. And the right answer is New York. Question number 26 is Kitab al-Shifa was written by A. Call Steve, B. Ibn Sina, C. Ahmad Mushtaq, D. None of them. And the right answer is Ibn Sina. Question number 27 is Kimya Saadat is authorized by A. Imam Muslim, B. Imam Ghazali, C. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Al-Farabi. And the right answer is Imam Ghazali. Question number 28 is where was Albert Einstein born? A. UK, B. USA, C. Germany, D. Albania. The right answer is Germany. Question number 29 is Sabina is the name of airline of A. America, B. UK, C. Belgium, D. None of these. And the right answer is Belgium. Question number 13 is SAVAK is the secret police of A. Iran, B. USA, C. Syria, D. Israel. The right answer is Iran. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.